A template for writing a research paper is a very useful tool for high school students and for those who are pursuing postdoctoral and doctoral studies. It makes their task easier. Scroll through this Buzzle article to know more on this subject. Submissions, projects, and research papers are an inherent factor in the pursuit of higher studies. Although they may sometimes seem too cumbersome and tedious, these are a great way to unveil the intricacies of the topic that you are researching. It gives you the chance to delve into greater depth of the topic at hand. This task will be made easier if you know the kind of framework that you are supposed to follow, as well as the factors that you need to focus on. The papers being vast, it can sometimes get confusing to understand which factors to give importance to, and therefore, a template will definitely help. In the following sections of this Buzzle article, we will look through the details of how to formulate a research paper and provide a template of the same. Template for research paper. A structure helps in ensuring that an assignment has followed all the necessary prerequisites in making it a well-defined and structured work. An outline aids in enumerating the content of each paragraph through a smooth transition between the main body and other sections of the paper. All this makes it legible and lucid. While writing a research paper, proper structuring gives you a clear outline of the suitable content and the format that is to follow. Research paper outline. There are many research forms that are taken up, and the outline for each of these will vary a little depending on the kind of paper that you're dealing with. However, the fundamentals of each outline will be the same. Given below is a template that will help you understand how a paper should be approached. Title. Purpose of the paper. Introduction. Problem description and analysis. Analysis justification. Problem significance. The scope of the review. Application of the results of the review. Research questions to answer. Methodology. Explain the methods and rationale used to conduct the research and state the conclusions you have arrived at. Analysis and discussion. This has to include general points to be discussed and considered. Some of these factors are: give strong support to ideas from credible sources, use subtopics to organize concepts, provide recommendations for future research and allied activities. Give proper footnotes and references and studies. Recommendation and solutions. This will be followed by recommendations and a small section on the plausible solutions and conclusion to the problem. In case there is no problem which has been tackled, summarize the major points, and close with confident completion of the research. References. The references and source of conclusion in a research paper will be listed at the end. It is encouraged that you use an APA format for carrying this through. The APA format was set forth by the American Psychological Association in order for documenting the sources used in a research paper. This states that there needs to be an in-text citation as well as a reference list. For every in-text citation, there needs to be a full citation in the reference list and vice versa. Though this is the simplest outline that can be followed for writing a research paper, the final format will depend on the kind of subject that you're dealing with and the specific requirements of the same. If you have the option of consulting a professor in charge, it is highly recommended that you do.